Hey Davenport, it's Kylie.
And Carly in third grade got to make story dice.
They went to Tinkercad and started a story dice.
Each table group had to brainstorm words like adverbs, adjectives, verbs, and nouns.
Then they thought of words to go with each category. Those words were rock,
Fun,
car,
today,
fly,
and kindly.
Then they designed it on Tinkercad.
They will use the story dice to create stories.
They roll and make a funny story with the 4 words that they get. Now, here
Here's
are
Holly
and Alden with what they learned about making them.
Good morning. We are here with Holly, and she's gonna tell us what she learned about her story dice.
I learned how to engrave words by grouping and holding the words within the dice.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for having me.
Good morning. We are here with Alden, and he's going to tell us what he learned about his story dice.
I learned how to use measurements on 3-dimensional objects.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Guess who?
Mrs. G.
Good morning. We are here with Mrs. G, whose job is a kindergarten teacher at Davenport Elementary. Thank you for joining us, Mrs. G.
Thanks for having me.
Where did you go to college?
I went to college at North Iowa Area Community College for 2 years in Mason City, Iowa, where I got my associate's degree. Then I went to the University of Northern Iowa in Cedar Falls, Iowa, where I got my bachelor's degree in education. And then I got my master's degree in reading from the Illinois State University.
Tell us about your family.
I'm married to my husband, Chris. We have 4 kids, Nick, Taryn, Grant, and Sarah. Nick lives in Iowa right now and will be moving to Florida very soon, to the Orlando area, where he works for AT&T. Taryn is a junior at the College of St. Francis, OSF St. Francis, for nursing. And my son Grant is a sophomore at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, where he's going into finance. And our last one, Sarah, is a junior at EHS.
Do you have any pets?
I do. I have 2 dogs, Luna and Josie. They're both rescue dogs. And we have 1 cat who used to be a stray, and he has lived with us for about 13 years. His name is Sam.
What interests do you pursue outside of school?
I love doing anything outside. I love swimming laps. I love going on hikes, taking my dogs for a walk, anything that's active and outside, basically.
Why do you want to teach at the kindergarten?
I decided to teach at this level because I feel like it's the most challenging level. I love the little ones. And I do think it's probably the most rewarding level because they come in as preschoolers and they leave as first graders, and it's a very rewarding level, and I just love them.
If you could choose one dance move to do the rest of your life, what would it be?
Well, I don't really know what this dance move is, but I do it to embarrass my children all of the time. All of you 80s people out there, this is what we used to do. We would have our really big hair and our puffy sleeves, and we would go like this with our arms.
This is disgusting.
I love sushi.
What is a place you'd like to visit before you die, and why?
I would love to visit the redwoods in California because I just think it would be so majestic to see trees that have been living for thousands of years, and to be around something so enormous would just be a really, really awesome experience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mrs. G's family. Mrs. G's pets. Grades, favorite emoji. Tears of joy. Loudly. Pleading face. On the floor laughing. Rolling on the floor laughing. 28. Tears of joy. 13. Loudly crying face. 7. Pleading face. 3. Rolling on the floor laughing. 10. What will Mrs. Qatar do when she retires?
When I retire, I want to...
A. Go to the beach. B. Ride a bike. C. Shopping. Or D. Travel.
When I retire, I want to... ride my bike a lot.
What's up, Davenport students? We're going to tell you a little bit about the lost and found, like this football, this black Hornet sweatshirt, this koala top, these pencils, these unicorn jeans, this black sweatshirt, this jump rope, this headband.
What's up, Davenport students? It's your girl Bella and your girl Kenzie. So we're going to tell you a little bit about what we see in the lost and found. So right now we have a water bottle. What are you going to use when you get thirsty in class? Right now we have this fashionable hat. What are you going to wear when your ears get cold? And this basketball, what are you going to use when you go out to recess to play knockout? What are you going to use to play with? And also this fancy shirt. Two-sided, y'all. And this fashionable cardigan. What are you going to use when you get cold? Or when you got to go when you got to go to like Walmart or something and get clothes? What are you going to use to be beautiful? So, this has been a day in the life of the Lost and Found with Bella and Kenzie. Come check out the Lost and Found.
Hey Davenport students! This is Katie and Remy, and we are going to tell you about Mrs. Simpkin's American flags. But first, let us tell you guys some facts about the American flag. First, the American flag had only 13 stars, and Betsy Ross made it. And there has been 27 different versions of the American flag. Did you know the current flag is the only American flag that has been around for 50 years? You did great, Miss Simpkins class!
Hey Davenport, it's me Addison with weather today. It is starting to feel like spring. Anyways, let's get on with the weather. On Monday, the high is 71 and the low is 51. Scattered thunderstorms. On Tuesday, the high is 60 and the low is 46. Showers. On Wednesday, the high is 65 and the low is 45. partly cloudy. On Thursday, the high is 67 and the low is 47. Partly cloudy. On Friday, the high is 66 and the low is 47. Partly cloudy. So, why couldn't the flower ride a bike?
I don't know. Why?
It lost its petals.
I wonder what this stick is. I'll just use it for my batting practice. Whoa. What just happened? Where am I? This does not look like my house. Caitlin? Maybe I can move this thing. Whoa! That worked! I wonder what this thing is.
Hi, did you call me?
Yeah, where am I? We're in some stranger's house. This thing just changed the setting.
I've read books about these. Long, shiny metal sticks. You can move things and change the setting. Did you know that?
No.
I'm gonna try to go to Florida. Whoa, we're not in Florida. Where are we? Okay, it's gone now. I'm leaving before I see a tarantula around here.
Okay.
Let's go to New York. I hear Thanksgiving parades are lovely at this time. Okay, we're in New York, but where's the parade? Hey, I'm hungry. I never had breakfast yet. I wonder if this thing can make things appear in thin air.
Wait. It's 1975. We were just in 2021.
That explains why it looks so different here. Here, can I try to get breakfast?
Why isn't it working? Try changing the setting.
Okay, I want to be back home. Oh, we're home.
Maybe you can't get things that you want. And this thing is hollow.
Well, I can still get things I want. Like right now, I'm going to get breakfast.
Okay.
Monday, May 3rd, EHS Art Show. Tuesday, May 4th, PTO meetings. Wednesday, May 5th, Kindergarten screening. Friday, May 7th, Davenport track meet. Saturday, May 8th, EHS Band Senior Concert. Monday, May 10th through 14th, Davenport. Monday, May 10th, School Board meeting. Have a splendidly, awesomely great week.
Hi, my name is Claire, and it is National Lemonade Day. Who doesn't like lemonade? An ice-cold glass of lemonade is so refreshing and terrific, no matter what time of year. Anyways, it does have single benefits when consumed on a sticky and hot day. Hello, I am Eva, and it is National Lumpy Rug Day! As you can see, lots of people choose the rugs for their design. People around the world make their own design for the rugs, too. Lumpy Rug Day reminds us that rugs are really smooth and soft for our feet. Just having the feeling, I remember at my house, I usually always slept on the floor. On the carpet. That feels so nice.
That's all, folks.